Welcome to the mix. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne as he explains that, people are talking about a 12-year-old on their platform, and he's really disappointed in it. He believes that the followers of that platform should look into themselves and see what they're doing wrong because they're supporting that individual. Now, Dwayne and speaks about his baby as well, and that he was up all night helping to feed the baby. He only got a little bit of sleep, so you can go ahead and watch the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
I see something I want to respond to. You want to come cry like a big, big baby. Do better. Or when you don't see them. Talk truth, Sharon. Talk truth. It's factual. This is factual. Factual right now. You telling no lies. No lies. Listen, you're not telling no lies. No lies. And you know what I realized too? You know what I realized? They feel like them cursing a whole heap of bad words and tearing out their eyes like they're mad out. It's scaring anyone. You know, listen, you look them look crazy. You look crazy. Maybe your people don't want to tell you, but I'm telling you straight up, you look crazy. You behave like a mad person. You behave like someone who needs psychological evaluation. Not even psychological, psychiatric evaluation. I swear to you, I kid. Listen, anything I say, listen. And I'm not even laughing. I am not even laughing. I'm not even laughing. You need psychiatric evaluation. You do. You do. Imagine coming out every day talking about people and people not looking on you. Have some shame, no? Have some shame. Have some shame. Have some principles. Have something good about you. Positive vibes. I've been preaching positivity for quite some time now. Hop on the train. Hop on the positive train. Listen. And then people want to bring other people's children into it and say, oh, I don't travel people's children. Seriously? How? Make that make sense. How? That is hypocrisy. Hypocrite. Imagine you have fully grown people, fully grown followers on people have fully grown followers on their page, right? Guys, pics and utter nonsense. All of us on social media, majority of us are fully grown adults, right? Majority of us are fully grown adults. Imagine sitting down on someone's page and hearing them tearing down and degrading, dehumanizing a minor. A minor? A little child? A little kid? Seriously? I know, listen, I'm not talking because I'm mad, because I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm far from mad. I'm just talking because it's the right thing to do. And then you want to act like you're bullbuck and Duppy Conquer with your mad charm. What cost to buy that much? I feel like if I continue, I'm gonna get really upset. I'm can't bother with that. Imagine. Why would you feel it is okay to speak so negatively of a child, a little kid, woman, one little pitney, one little pitney will probably just gone into high school, probably just reached 7th grade, probably just reached 7th grade or year 7. And then you have people on your page supporting that nonsense. How is this possible? How is this possible? I have big dot. Oh, Jesus Christ. Big grown-ass women. Fully grown women on your page supporting tearing down a little kid. A little kid. Followers over there, ask yourself this question. How would you feel? How would you feel if this was your little 12-year-old? How would you feel? How would you feel? How would you feel if you are supporting someone who tears down your little 12-year-old? Not saying you see if the person was 18, it would have been bad, but not so bad, because an 18-year-old would be an adult, a fully grown adult. But a 12-year-old? Seriously? Do better. Do better. And no, I'm not talking because I'm mad. Because I'm not mad. Listen, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not. You are a social... You talk about people being disgraced on the media. You're the biggest... You are the biggest disgrace on the media. You are. I say this with no apology either. Anyone who supports your behavior, all of you are disgraced. All of you should be put in a barrel and thrown in the deepest part of the ocean. All of you together. And Anita, I don't care. Anita, the thing is, right, I don't care. Cuss me. Yes, cuss me. Cuss me all you want. But then to go put it on a little kid? But tell us, you're mad enough? You're mad. You are mad. You're mad. You're mad.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.